Hello friends, welcome to day 42 of our 60-day senior fitness series. If you are new here, don't worry. We exercise together every day to stay strong and healthy. Exercise 1, sit to stand, chair squats. Let us start with our first exercise today, the sit to stand, also called chair squats. This is a fantastic exercise to strengthen your legs, improve balance, and make everyday movements easier. First, place a sturdy chair on a flat surface. Sit comfortably on the chair with your feet shoulder width apart. Make sure your back is straight and cross your arms in front of your chest. Take a deep breath and let us begin. We are going to stand up slowly and then sit back down, maintaining good posture. Let us count every repetition together. Ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Excellent! You have completed all 50 repetitions. How are you feeling now? Are your legs warming up? Keep your movements slow and controlled to protect your knees. Let me know in the comments how this exercise felt today. From which country are you watching me? Share your experience, and remember, consistency is the key to building strength. You are doing an amazing job. Keep it up. Exercise 2, seated leg extensions. Now that we have completed our first exercise, let us move on to Exercise 2, the seated leg extensions. This exercise is excellent for strengthening the quadriceps, improving knee mobility, and supporting your balance. First, sit upright on the same sturdy chair we used before. Keep your back straight, shoulders relaxed, and feet flat on the floor. Take a deep breath and get ready to work each leg carefully. We will begin with the right leg. Lift your leg straight out in front of you, hold it for a second, and then slowly lower it back down. Now let us count each repetition together. Ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Amazing! That completes 50 repetitions with your right leg. Now, we will switch to the left leg and repeat the same process. Lift your left leg straight out, hold for a second, and lower it down slowly. Let us count together once more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Almost there. You are doing wonderfully. Share this video with a senior friend so they can exercise with you and experience the benefits together. Keep breathing and stay focused. You are building stronger legs every day. Exercise is great, but exercise alone is not enough to truly improve your health. That's why I highly recommend Nagano Tonic, a unique blend of natural nutrients that boosts your metabolism, melts stubborn fat, increases energy, and helps you feel younger from the inside out. Many seniors see results faster when combining their daily exercises with this tonic. Without it, your progress may stay slow and limited. Check the link in the description to get yours before the offer ends. Exercise 3, Seated Knee Marching. Now it is time for our third and final exercise for today, the Seated Knee Marching. This exercise is excellent for improving hip mobility, strengthening your legs, and enhancing circulation. First, sit tall on your chair with your feet flat on the floor. Rest your arms lightly on your thighs for support. Keep your back straight and your shoulders relaxed. Take a deep breath and get ready to march your knees in place. We will lift one knee and then the other, just like marching slowly. Let us count each lift together. Ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Fantastic! You have completed 50 marches with alternating knees. Keep your movements slow and controlled to get the maximum benefit and avoid any strain. How are your legs feeling so far? Are they warming up nicely? Remember, it is perfectly normal to feel a little tired. This is how we get stronger every day. Great job! Don't stop now. Continue practicing these exercises daily, and let me know in the comments how this marching exercise felt for you today. Share this video with your senior friends so you can exercise together and encourage each other. You are doing an amazing job. Stay consistent and keep moving.